Parents, what's the most messed up secret you are hiding from your children? My twins have never met their grandfather, even though they've known him their entire lives. You see, in our small town, there is a house at the end of a dead-end road with overgrown trees. Nobody lives there. But talk of the town is that the man who lived there was legendary. Rumor has it that he has been locked up for extortion, but that's a complete lie, and it was spread by me. The thing is, I'm the only one who knows the truth, and I have to keep it that way. It started when I was a preteen. My father had begun being weird with me, and taking me out on daddy-daughter dates to teach me how to be a proper lady. Of course, I admired and trusted him, but one thing led to another, and he started doing horrible things to me. For years, I knew I hated it, but I thought it was normal. It wasn't until I turned 18 that he stopped doing it, and I realized how wrong it had all been, and I was extremely angry. I went to the cops and told them what had happened, and sure enough, they raided his stuff and found recordings on his computer, and he got sent to jail. For 18-year-old me, this was beyond embarrassing, and I didn't want to be known as that girl. So when he went to jail, I made